Cut. Pwede. So, sumobra yung kay Danan. Kakalpi na lang ulit. So, next, Jessica borrowed money from a bank, charging 11% simple interest. If she pays back the bank amounting to 57,673.12
interest
after
paid
3 years
in.
and 8 months, how much
If
did
D is
she
the rate of
borrow?
discount, then D is equal to I
So, first,
over 1
identify
plus
given.
I corresponding to a rate
So,
of
ano yung mga
interest.
given natin sa
D
second
is equal to D
problem?
over 1.
So, interest is 11% or 0.11. Okay? Next na given natin,
Future amount,
future amount, which is equal to
57,673.
57,273.12. Okay?
1
So, ano
minus
pa yung mga
D.
given?
Yung number of interest period po. 3 years and
Problem
8
1.
months.
So, 3 years
Determine the ordinary and
and
exact
8
simple
months.
interest on 10,000. Number of days
So, ang
calculate.
required
So,
for
set
this
natin
problem is
para makancel yung months and maging siyang days. So, 1 month is
Principal.
equivalent to
principal.
20 days.
So,
Cancel
first
months.
step, kasi 3 years and
So,
8
9
months
times
to,
20
dapat
is equal to
purely in years tayo. So,
2
convert
times
natin yung 8
20
months
days.
into years.
But don't forget, meron pa tayong 10 days. So, plus 10
Ano po?
days.
3.0
So, D is equal
ay
to
3.67.
280
Okay,
days.
3.67. So, pakita lang natin.
And I, or
Sa
the rate of
isang
interest,
taon, meron tayong 12
is
months.
equal to
So,
12%.
cancel yung months. So,
Or
8 divided by
in
12
decimal,
is
that is 0.12. So, we are required
0.67 po.
0.67 years na yan. To. And then, plus natin yung 3 years. So, 3.67 years. So, okay na yung mga values natin and yung mga units nila. And then, we can now substitute sa formula. So, we have the formula I is equal to PIN, and we have yung future is equal to present plus the interest. So, transpose ko lang to. So, we have F minus P is equal to I. And then, equate ko lang sila because pareho silang equal sa I. So, F minus P is equal to PIN. And now, meron na tayong values nila. Meron na tayong future, interest, and yung number of years. So, substituting the values, we have 7,673.12 minus P is equal to P times 0.11 times 3.67 years. So, shift solve para mas madali or kung gusto nyo ilang i-solve ng mano-mano, okay lang din. Pero, okay na yung shift solve sa akin. So, yung principal amount is equal to meron na ba nakasolve? So 41,086.5. 41,086.5. So yan yung answer. So next, find I sub O and I sub E and the amount due on 23,196.7 at 15% from January 15, 2004 to October 20, 2004. So ang given natin is so for number 3, given tayo ng principal which is 23,196.70 and yung interest natin is 0.15 and we have the number of days from January 15, 2004 up to October 20, 2004. And then yung required the problem is yung I sub O or yung ordinary simple interest and I sub E which is the exact simple interest. So, bago natin siya solve, dapat makuha natin yung number of days. So, sa January, ilan yung number of days natin?
15 po.
15 ba?
16 po.
16. So, mag-start tayo ng January 15 until yung January 31. So, that is 16 days. And so, February, so first check natin kung leap year ba siya or hindi. So, is it a leap year or no?
Leap year.
Leap year siya kasi kapag dinivide natin siya to 4, exact yung value na makukuha natin. So, kung leap year siya, meron tayong 29 days. And then, sa March, we have
31.
31.
31.
And April, ilan yung days?
30.
30.
May
31.
31.
and June,
30.
30.
July,
31.
August,
31.
September,
30.
and October.
20.
So, October 20 na lang because until October 20 lang yung given. So, add lang lahat and the answer is
279 po, ma'am.
279. So, this is our number of days. So, first natin i-solve is yung I sub O or yung ordinary simple interest. So, yung formula is PID over 360. So, given tayo ng principal of and then yung interest natin is 0.15 and yung number of days natin is 279. So, I sub O is equal to 2,000.
696.
Wait, 22,000 daw. 2,600.
696.60.
Okay. So, solve naman natin is yung I sub E or exact simple interest. So, PID over, ano yung value na?
366 po.
So, 360 yung, 66 yung gagamitin because it's
Leap
a leap
year.
year. So, I sub E is equal to 2,652.41. So, ito na yung mga answer natin. So, kung gusto niyo silang i-screenshot. So, yun lang yung mga examples na naiwan ko. Kung gusto niyo pang balikan yung ibang examples, nasa videos naman. So, mukhang pinanood niyo naman kasi nakakasabay kayo sa discussion. So, thank you for watching. And now, ibibigay ko na yung activity. So, pag nag-start yung activity, pwede na kayong mag-leave dito para magamit yung device niyo na balik-balikan yung mga lessons natin. So, today ko din siya ipopost and tomorrow pa yun naman yung deadline niya. So, yun lang. Kung wala na kayong questions, pwede na mag-leave and hintayin nyo na lang mga 5 minutes lang ipopost